In this video, I'll show you how to install apps from the Google Play Store, even if your smart TV doesn't have the Play Store app pre-installed. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet. Step 2. Open the built-in browser on your smart TV. Most smart TVs have a pre-installed browser, but you can use any browser available. Step 3. In the search bar, type to Google Play Store and press Enter. Step 4. Look for a result that says Android apps on Google Play or similar. Click on it. If it's not in your language, scroll down and find the English version. Step 5. Once the Play Store page opens in the browser, you can start browsing or searching for any app. If it's your first time using the Play Store this way, your TV may ask for permission to open the App Store interface. Just allow it. You can now search and install apps directly from the Play Store using your smart TV browser. And that's it. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more smart TV tutorials.